In this video, we are going to see the product view tracking within Matomo. So this is the tracking that I'm referring to. The concept of this tracking, so this is an optional tracking, is like measuring the landing page conversion rate of your product. So the idea is to measure the number of time a given product page has been viewed. And thanks to this tracking, we could compare it against the number of transactions or the number of goals which are happening on your website. So to say, it will give you at the end of the day the products which are converting the most because the page of the product in itself has been well designed, or the price is convincing, and so on and so forth. So in order to use it, you need to call this given line before the track page view. So typically in my case, I have my product page over here. If I look at the source code, the characteristic of the product has been sent over here, so there's not yet any transaction. That's just in order to tell to Matomo this page is a product page. As a product page, it has a SKU, so barcode, it has a name, it has a category, and it has a price. Okay, so those are the attributes that we can send, and here is the traditional tracking code of Matomo. Okay, so this is what is happening when this page is loading. Okay, so when this page is loading, what is happening is like on your Matomo in the visit log, you will see the data displayed like this. Okay, so you get the page, and in addition to that, so as a custom dimension, you are getting the view product name, you are getting the view product SKU, you are getting the view product price, and you are getting as well the viewed product category. Those 4 attributes will be included within the data feed. Okay, as you can see over here, it is sending over here the additional dimension. So to say the product view price, the product view name, the product view SKU, they are, whoops, those 3 are getting added. Okay. By the way, here I'm not getting the categories, so my guess is like we are seeing it just after. Okay, you see over here product view category. When this code is getting loaded, you will get within Matomo, so it's gonna be moved into e-commerce. Note though that even if the e-commerce is not loaded, it can you can use custom report to create those. So here within products, what you are getting now is the name of the product. Okay, it has not yet been purchased at all, but you are getting it. Those data are not getting filled in because they belong to another e-commerce tracking code, but you are getting now the number of visits. Okay, the number of time that people visited it. Okay, and the same thing for the product SKU and for the product category. As you can see at this step, we are not getting the number of time that the page has been viewed. So in my case, it has been viewed. So it has been viewed 1, 2, 3 times. So if I would like to get those 3 views, I will need to create a custom report. So I will need to go over here. I'm gonna say a viewed product. Then I need a figure to illustrate this. So figure is a metric. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select. So the viewed product will be category 1, unique viewed product, that will still be 1. So I need the total viewed product. So total view product, which it seems does not appear over here. So let's maybe reduce the list a little bit. So view, max view, maximum viewed product price, total viewed product price. That could do it as well, total viewed product price. interesting. So here I have a dot. I could technically take as well the its. So I'm gonna take the its. I'm gonna take as well the view, the total view product price. I'm gonna take the unique one as well, product category one, and now I'm gonna play over here. So I can take the view product category. That could be, yeah, well, product name in my case. Okay. So let's see how it goes, and let's see which one is going to say number 3. Number 3, as you can see, is going to be the number of hits, telling me that this given viewed product name has been called in fact 3 times. So because those are getting sent to the server, and the reason why I don't get a viewed product category in total, I have no idea. I just know that so far there's only the unique one which is available. So as a result, I need to take it instead in order to get it. Okay. And that's everything that I needed to show you. So I repeat here, the product view is here in order to tell you how many times a product has been viewed. Then if we want to get, let's say, the full path, what we need is a transaction. So if I go over here and I click on this given button, in my case, normally it is supposed to send an e-commerce transaction, which is this one, and then we can get the conversion rate. So let's now have a look at our tracker, which will be over here. So let's say the result of our tracker. So I'm getting a transaction. Okay, this conversion has been attributed to the direct entry channel. So this is the purchase of my product. And if I go over here in e-commerce and if I go into products, normally now everything will be filled with data. So the product conversion rate now is 100% because I just got one single visit, which lead into product conversion rate of 400%. If I would have had 2 visits, then the product conversion rate normally should have been 50%. So let's try to make it down to 50%. So for this, I will just need the URL and I will just need to visit it from different browsers such as Firefox. And if it gets loaded, okay. So normally now I should have like 2 visits, and I should get normally the 50%. 2 visits, product conversion rate 50%.